Just had my second jaw surgery to remove a plate. X marks the spot where the plate was, the lower left-hand side, my lower left jaw. The plate became infected. I had a little lump on my gums, and if I didn't have this surgery, there was a risk like those infections would keep coming back, and there's a risk of tooth getting infected, gums getting infected, jawbone getting infected, and then sepsis, like an infection throughout my body. So I had to avoid that and get the surgery. The risks with the surgery, like all surgical risks, are there, but specific to this surgery, there was a risk that my surgeon would have to replace the plate if there wasn't enough bone growth. My jaw didn't have, if it didn't have enough bone growth, he would have had to replace the plate. Luckily, that wasn't the case. There was enough bone growth, so it's all good. No extra plate. He just removed the plate and screws. The second risk was he would have to drill through my cheek, put a hole in my cheek, because, apparently, this is really gross. I hate thinking about this, but when they do double jaw surgery, they can kind of manipulate your jaw, and then get whatever screws in, but they can't really do that once it's all locked into place. So yeah, that was a risk, but luckily he didn't have to do that. He was able to manipulate the screw and then get it out, get them all out. So I don't have a hole in my cheek. I have this cross, which I just need to shower and get this off. Yeah, but generally feeling good. I know there's some pain coming, but I don't think it's going to be as bad as the original surgery where, I'm just dying for 2 weeks and my jaw is wired shut. This one should be okay. Not a lot of pain. I have a sore throat. I was intubated, so there's some blood coming out of my nose and my mouth. And it generally just feeling okay though. A little bit of dread because I know some pain and a lot of swelling might be in my future tomorrow, might be coming in the days ahead. But generally I'm okay. Um, yeah. So hopefully the infection goes away and I'll be all good.